to Candy Chaos. The prize is this trophy.
What if I don't want to play?
I don't really care. Anyways, here's the teams. The last person on the beam wins for their team. 3, 2, 1, go!
Hey, Cookie, you want to go out later?
Excuse me, I'm a man. That is very offensive.
Marshmallow, come here now.
Okay.
I'm retired.
Y'all are all idiots. My team sucks.
I'm Jellybean. Vote who should be eliminated.